Good morning, children. Joyadash here. Welcome to your math class. Today we are discussing about another property of a triangle. Previously we have discussed exterior angle property. Now we will discuss angle sum property of a triangle. The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means if we add the three angles of the triangle, the result will be 180 degree. This is the second property of triangle, which we will discuss, and we will do the sum on this basis of this property in exercise 6.3. Before going to this sums, we will first want to see that angle sum property in a practical manner. See, there is a triangle ABC where we have already made three angles, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. The measurement of these angles I have made by using colored paper. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and you know that this angle, the measurement of this angle is 180 degree. So we want to see that the sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degree or not. See one practical way to watch this one. Now see students, all the three angles are completed this 180 degree angle. That means sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Understood? If I see this is another 180 degree angle. See, it is 180 degree angle, it is straight line. We want to see that these angles are equal to this angle or not. Same way only we want to see that. See, this is 180 degree angle, students. So sum of the three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. This 180 degree angle, is there any confusion? No. Then come again to see that this is our three angles of the triangles and which is making 180 degree. Is it clear, students? If you see these three angles in visually that these three angles are making 180 degree, it will be easy for you to understand. Next, we are going to use this property in our sums. Find the values of the unknown x in the following diagrams. Unknown x, it is given in the question, so I have written. Actually the question is find the value of the unknown angles in the following diagrams. Here x is given, so every sum it is given x, so they have written x. See, angle ABC, it is given 50 degree, 60 degree and x, and we know that sum of the three angles equal to what? Yes, 180 degree. X plus 50 plus 6 is equal to 180 degree, and when we are using this property, we have to write the property, angle sum property of a triangle. Then directly go to the, we will do this equation process. X 50 plus 60, 110 equal to 180 degree. Transposing 110 to right side, x is equal to 180 minus 110. Some students have done 110 minus 180. Is it correct? No. 180 is in the right side only, and you are transposing 110 to the right side. So it will be only, this sign will be changed only. So 180 minus 110, so x is equal to 70 degree. Understood? The unknown value of the unknown angle is 70 degree. Next question. Next sum is question number 2. See the angle, triangle is PQR, where angle P, there is a sign, and in previous class also I have explained, if this sign is there, then you will understand that this is 90 degree, this is 30 degree, and this is x. Then you know that angle sum property of the triangle is 180 degree. So using this property we will do the sum now. Now 90 plus 30 plus x is equal to 180 degree, and we have to write that angle sum property of a triangle. Now adding this, you will get 120 plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 120. By transposing 120 in the right side, we will get the value of x is equal to 60 degree. Understood? Next sum is question number 4. See the triangle. It is x 50x. What does it mean? It means this value of the two angle is same. Value of the two angles are same. Now what you will do? X plus 50, x plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. You have to write the property. Now x plus x, that means 2x. 1x plus 1x, 2x plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180. Now transposing 50 in the right side, minus 50. 2x is equal to 130. X is equal to 130 by 2, cancellation. After cancelling this, I have cancelled also. It will come 65 degree. So value of unknown angle x is equal to 65 degree. Now I am doing question number 5 here. See, here all the values are given same, x, x, x. And you know that sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So what you will do? X plus x plus x is equal to 180 degree. And you have to write the property. Then 3x is equal to 180 degree. X plus x plus x, that is 3x. How many x are there? 1x, 2x, 3x. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 3. You need to cancel it. You will get 60 degree. So 60 degree. So the value of each angle is equal to 60 degree. And it is also unknown angle. So value of unknown angle is 60 degree. Next question is, see the diagram again. It is x, it is 2x, and it is, see the sign, it is 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree. And you have to write angle sum property of a triangle. Now x plus 2x is equal to 3x. 3x is equal to 3x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90, result is 90. You know x is equal to 90 by 3. Cancel it, you will get 30 degree. So value of unknown angle is 30 degree. Now I hope all of you understood this one very nicely, and now using this angle sum property of a triangle, the same way you have to find out the value of these three unknown angles. It is question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. I have given 3 sums. By using this property, you have to find out the value of the unknown angles. Understood, students? Thank you.